Ivory Organics is having a summer of 2023 product giveaway from August 1st to August 7th of 2023. And for these 7 days only, everyone can enjoy 20% off our entire limited Ivory Organic nursery selection before we restock again later this fall. Winners will be selected from the following platforms: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. All of the links to follow us are in the description. The winners will get a pint-sized can of the Ivory Organic choice of color: white, brown, green, gray, or greige 3-in-1 plant guard to protect your spring plantings from the effects of damaging summer sunburn, insects, and rodents. For more details, go to ivoryorganics.com. To participate, simply find this graphic on your screen on your favorite social media platforms. The participation rule details are explained in the description, but in short, simply like this post, follow our channel, and share and tag at least 2 people. And also, we'd love to hear how Ivory Organic products have been used to benefit your growing successes. And for those of you that are new, how can Ivory Organics be a part of your growing successes? Your years of support have helped make Ivory Organic America's leading garden product YouTube channel with nearly 200,000 followers and over 20 million views. As always, keep growing with Ivory Organics, and wishing you all happy gardening.